Hello. You can see today the sun is not shining. All the clouds are in the sky today. Do you remember how to say it's cloudy in Welsh? Mae'n cymylog. Mae'n cymylog. Yeah, it is cloudy today. And we're going to sing a song today about the weather. Now, it's not too cloudy, it's not too stormy, but maybe I can hear thunder. Would you like to sing I Hear Thunder? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Hark, don't you, hark, don't you. Pitter-patter raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. Now there's two parts to that song. So when all the clouds, the storm clouds go away, the sunshine comes back out. So we'll sing the whole thing with the clouds and the blue skies and sunshine. 1, 2, 3. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Hark, don't you, hark, don't you. Pitter-patter raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. I see blue sky, I see blue sky. Way up high, way up high. Hurry up the sunshine, hurry up the sunshine. I'll soon dry, I'll soon dry. Well done. Now, maybe we can't hear thunder at the moment, but can you hear the wind? There is a wind blowing today. Mae'n wyntog. It's windy today too. Mae'n cymylog. Mae'n wyntog. It's windy and cloudy. Well, today I thought I'd read you one of my poems, because first thing in the morning I like to eat some breakfast. Do you know what I like to eat for breakfast? Toast. Lots of toast. So this poem that I'm going to read to you is called Toast. Are you ready? In the morning, what I love the most is mountains of strawberry jam on toast. Forget the cereal, forget the tea, a million rounds of toast for me. Above my bed, I have a poster of the world's most expensive toaster. It makes 50 rounds at a time. But they're not to share, they're all mine to gobble up while I'm still yawning. Ugh, a ton of toast, first thing in the morning. Well, I'm going to say goodbye, and I'll see you again tomorrow with another song and maybe another poem as well. See you tomorrow.